12 PM. After the church, narito ako sa aming mounting tamnan ng mga mais. Yan, at by next month ay agburas kami for harvesting this area. From that point to here, hoping na medyo maganda. Pwede nang ma-harvest maybe before the end of March. At ito naman yung palay namin. At green. Maganda ang nalalabsan. Kaya lang we need to agpadanom. Yan ang aming pinagkuhanan. Temporary ay ayun. At temporary, di ko alam kung kailan nila tatapusin yung solar irrigation pump. At after the harvest of that mais, next crop is pakwan, watermelon. That is our schedule. Then yan, sana maganda ang resulta. At I'm sure na itong palay medyo maganda. Yan. At rock and roll na uli bukas kung saan na naman makarating.